Across the roof of the world stretches a sight of unparalleled grandeur, the Himalayas. These towering peaks, capped with eternal snow and cloaked in swirling mists, inspire awe in all who behold them. They stand as silent sentinels, guardians of a realm where the sky seems closer and the air itself hums with an ancient energy. Among these titans, one name resonates with a power all its own: Mount Everest, reaching a staggering height of 29,031.7 feet, 8,848.86 meters, above sea level. It is the undisputed monarch of this mountain kingdom. Its summit, a piercing triangle of ice and rock, pierces the very heavens. To stand upon its slopes is to stand at the edge of the world. But the Himalayas are more than just a collection of impressive peaks. They are a tapestry woven from glaciers that glitter like scattered diamonds, from cascading waterfalls that thunder with untamed power, and from valleys painted in vibrant hues of green. This is a land of extremes, where the raw power of nature meets breathtaking beauty at every turn. The story of the Himalayas is a tale written in stone, a testament to the immense forces that shape our planet. These mountains were not always the towering giants they are today. They were born from a slow, relentless collision, a continental dance that began millions of years ago. Imagine, if you will, the Indian subcontinent, adrift on the Earth's molten mantle, inching ever closer to the vast landmass of Asia. The pressure between these two tectonic plates grew over eons, until, with a force that beggars description, they collided. The Earth buckled and heaved, and from this titanic struggle, the Himalayas were thrust skyward. Even today, the Himalayas continue to rise, a testament to the ongoing power of this ancient collision. The same forces that birthed these mountains also sculpted them, carving deep gorges, thrusting up jagged peaks, and etching lines of ancient glaciers across their flanks. The Himalayas are a living testament to the dynamism of our planet, a powerful reminder that even the most seemingly immutable landscapes are in a constant state of change. The Himalayas are home to some of the largest and most impressive glaciers found outside the polar regions. These rivers of ice, some stretching for miles, wind their way through the mountains like veins of pure white gold. They hold within their frozen depths a precious resource water. For millennia, the Himalayan glaciers have served as natural reservoirs, feeding the great rivers of Asia. The Ganges, the Brahmaputra, the Indus, these lifeblood rivers upon which billions depend, all trace their origins back to the glacial meltwaters of the Himalayas. These glaciers, silent and seemingly eternal, play a vital role in sustaining life across a vast swath of the Asian continent. But the glaciers are not merely sources of water, they are also indicators of the health of our planet. And sadly, the news they bring is not good. Section 4, A World Ablaze with Life. From the snow-capped peaks to the lush valleys below, the Himalayas are teeming with life. This region is a biodiversity hotspot, home to a dazzling array of plants and animals found nowhere else on Earth. Snow leopards, with their smoky coats and piercing gaze, stalk their prey amidst the high peaks. Blue sheep, sure-footed and agile, navigate the treacherous slopes with ease. In the lower elevations, rhododendrons burst forth in a riot of color, painting the hillsides in hues of crimson, pink, and white. Monkeys chatter from the trees, their calls echoing through the forests. The air hums with the buzz of insects, the songs of birds, the rustling of unseen creatures in the undergrowth. Life, in all its diversity and wonder, thrives in the shadow of these mighty mountains. The people of the Himalayas, too, are inextricably linked to this land. For generations they have lived in harmony with nature, their lives intertwined with the rhythms of the mountains. They have learned to adapt to the challenges of this harsh yet beautiful environment, drawing sustenance and inspiration from the land they call home. Section 5, Our Shared Responsibility. The Himalayas, for all their grandeur and might, are facing a growing threat. Global warming, driven by human activity, is casting a long shadow over these icy peaks. Temperatures are rising and the glaciers, those ancient rivers of ice, are melting at an alarming rate. The consequences of this glacial retreat are potentially catastrophic, not just for the Himalayas, but for the entire region. As the glaciers shrink, so too do the rivers they feed. Water scarcity, already a pressing issue in many parts of the Himalayas, is likely to worsen. Floods, triggered by glacial lake outbursts, pose an ever-present danger to communities living downstream. The delicate balance of this ecosystem is being disrupted, threatening the livelihoods of millions and the survival of countless species. The Himalayas are a global treasure, a vital part of our planet's life support system. Protecting these majestic mountains and the countless lives they sustain is not just an option, it is an imperative. We must act now, with urgency and with purpose, to address the root causes of climate change. The future of the Himalayas, and indeed our own future, depends on it.